Wrapping it up on Sportsbet. Huge week coming up. NBA and NHL playoffs start. And baseball still. Ohtani, unbelievable. Got a no-no into the seventh. And more home runs. He pitches later in the week, too. Time to turn the shot clock on. Which team misses the playoffs in a loaded Western Conference? For me, it's easy. The Nuggets. They could be out tonight. If Denver loses tonight and the Spurs and T-Wolves win, that's it. They're out of it. And if it comes down to the win and in situation Wednesday, I'll still take the T-Wolves at home. Butler's back. Makes a big difference. I'll take the T-Wolves at home, and Denver has struggled on the road and to defend. Playing well down the stretch, but give me the T-Wolves at home, and the Nuggets will miss out on the playoffs.
I'm going to go another direction here. I'm going to say that it's Minnesota who is going to miss out on the playoffs. And Denver will sneak in by beating the T-Wolves this week in Minnesota. Why? Minnesota stunk up the joint, dude. This team has a grand total of 2 wins against playoff teams over the last 2 months. You know what those 2 wins were? They beat the Wizards without John Wall. They beat the Warriors without Steph Curry. That's it for 2 months. 2 playoff teams with both of them missing their best player. Nuh-uh. Minnesota's no good. Markets already know it. T-Wolves will be the 9 seed in the West. They miss out. Denver sneaks in. Like the show? Help us keep the lights on. Please make sure to comment, share, and subscribe to all the Sportsbook Review videos. Thanks so much. Best of luck. Enjoy the game.